are action words?
No.
What are action words? All the doing words. All the works which we do are the action words. And do you know, children, action words are also called as verbs. What are they called? Verbs.
Oops.
Yes. Children, we have discussed previously in our previous classes, in our previous class, we have discussed that describing words are known as adjectives. Adjectives, right? Describing words are also called as adjectives. And today we are talking about verbs. Verbs are also called as, tell me, action words. What are verbs?
Action words.
Yes, verbs.
Action words.
Yes, verbs are action words and action words are verbs. Okay, you should not confuse. Ma'am told only about the action words and what are these verbs? Ma'am told only about the verbs and what are these action words? You should not confuse like that. Verbs are same. The other name of the verbs are action words. Do you know what are action words? You know? Okay. Tarini is telling that she know. Let us ask her. Yes, Tanvisri?
Ma'am, action words means doing words.
Doing words. Yes.
We drink in the water. That is also action word.
Very good, Tanvisri. Good. Yes. So, children, all Sai Joshit want to share. Yes, Sai Joshit?
Action words as verbs also, ma'am.
Yes, action words are also called as verbs. Very good. Yes.
Miss action words as also doing words like dancing, eating, swimming.
Yes, very good. Action words are all doing words like dancing, singing, eating. Now you are listening. I am speaking. Yes. You are watching.
Yes, ma'am.
You are watching. You are writing, reading, eating, sleeping, jumping.
I'm writing.
Yes. All these are
I'm
the
reading.
words. All these are doing words and these are called as action words as well as the verbs. Let us watch a small video on these action words. Let us. Yes. Okay. Very good. This is your video. Yes. Okay.
Becomes easy. Children, our today's topic is action words, or you can say doing words. Let us see this with the help of some examples. Before moving on to the examples, I would like to ask you one thing. What are you doing right now? You are watching my video. What am I doing right now? I am teaching you.
Yes. What are you doing all? You're all watching the video, right? Are you watching the video? Few are eating also. Few are eating. Yes. Huh? While watching the video, you are also eating, drinking. Huh? Yes. Okay. So, and what we are doing here? We are teaching you. So, watching is also an action word and teaching is also an action word. Okay. Let's continue.
Through this video. Okay, children, here the action performed by me and you, the work done by me and you, that is the action word. And action words are also referred as verbs. What are you doing right now? You're watching. Here, watching is the action performed by you, and teaching is the action performed by me. Okay, children. So now let us see the words that tell what a person, animal, or thing does are called doing words.
Listen now. Read this. This is very much important. The words that Tell what a person, animal, or thing does are called doing words. See, what a animal, a person, or a thing is doing. Yes, all those are called doing words or verbs.
Doing words are also called action words. Action words are called verbs. So let's move on to some examples to understand it better. What is the boy doing? Children, just watch this picture. The boy is eating food. I've highlighted eating with the green ink. Can you see, children? Why? The reason is this is the action being done by the boy, eating.
Eating.
What is the girl doing? The girl is sleeping. I've highlighted sleeping with the green ink. What are the children doing? The children are studying. What is the mother doing? The mother is cooking food. And what about the cow? The cow is drinking water. What are the birds doing? The birds are flying in the sky. What are the children doing? The children are playing with the ball. What is the baby doing? The baby is crying. Children, now let us recollect all the actions being done by these people. Eating, cooking, flying, drinking, crying, studying, sleeping, playing. These all were the action done by these people or the animals. So these action, the words that tell the action performed by any person, animal or thing are called the action words, or you can say the verbs. Okay, children? But this was when we were talking about the person or the animal. These two are the living things, so they can perform the action by their own. But what about the non-living things?
Now see, children, we have at the starting we have seen that action words are performed by the person and the animals and also by the things. Children, animals and human beings are the living things. They can do the action words by their own, right? We can move by ourselves, we can play by ourselves, we can write, we can speak, we can sleep by ourselves. But what about the things, non-living things? They cannot move by themselves. So what about them? Let us see now.
For example, the mobile phone. The phone is ringing. In this case, either the thing is automatically set or it needs to be operated manually. Okay, somebody will call, then the phone will start ringing. Here, ringing will be the action performed by the phone. Or in case of alarm, alarm clock is ringing. Okay, or the doorbell is ringing. Like this, it can be done. Either it will be operated automatically or manually we need to operate it. Like this, we will talk about the things also. So children, now let's move on to the test your knowledge. Here you can see the sentence, the cat is dash milk. And you've got,
Now you tell me this, children. You have to tell me this. The cat is dash the milk. So which action word you want to take the milk?
Drinking.
Very good. Drinking. Very good. And the second one,
Drinking.
Priya is dash a song. Cooking a song.
Singing the song.
Very good. Singing a song. That's great.
two options. Take the correct one. The cat is dash milk. Eating or drinking? The correct answer is drinking. Number 2, Priya is dash a song, singing or cooking. Singing. Ram is dash an apple.
Ram is dash an apple. What is he doing with the apple?
Eating.
Eating. Very good. And boys are dash fast. What are they doing fast? Barking or running? What are they doing? The boys are dash fast.
Running.
Yes.
Running.
Running. Very good. So let's see now. Your answers are right or wrong.
Eating or sleeping. Eating. Boys are dash fast, barking or running. Running. So I hope the concept of action words are clear to you children.
Yes, children. Is it clear to you all? What are the action words? Yes?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes. No,
Do you
ma'am.
have any doubt regarding these action words?
No, ma'am.
No, it is clear. So now I want you people to give me some action words with action. With action. You should do it now. Okay, one by one we will start. And you have to do the action and you have to show me. Okay, we'll start with Sai Joshit. Yes, Sai Joshit.
I am listening to my ma'am.
Okay, listening. So what is listening to your ma'am? So what is action word in that sentence?
Listening.
Listening. Very good. And next one, Sai Ritvik Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Give me one action word.
I listening online classes.
Give me another. Already Sai Joshit told it. It is repeated. Come on.
I see bird is flying.
Bird is flying. Okay. So what is action word in that?
Flying.
Yes. Flying. Very good. Next one. Ronald. 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 Ayansh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, give me one action word.
Baby is crying.
The baby is crying. What is an action word in that sentence?
Crying.
Good. Very good. Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, fast. Don't waste time, children. You should ready with the action word. As soon as I call, you should give me the answer. Come on,
Okay.
Ashrita.
Eating.
Yes. Show me the action. Yes. Okay. Arohi,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me fast.
The girl is sleeping.
Show me. The girl is? Ah, yes. Next, Janvi.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, repeat it again.
I am sleeping.
You're sleeping. Wake up, wake up. Tanvisri,
I am eating.
you are eating. I can see. Dhriti,
Yes, ma'am.
fast. Come on.
My mother is cooking.
Very good. What she's cooking?
Dosa.
You had dosa?
Yes.
Good. How many dosa you had?
One.
Oh, only one, enough. Okay, okay. Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me one action word.
I am sleeping.
You are sleeping. That is repeated. Don't sleep. Class is going on. Okay, give me one another action word.
The cow is drinking water.
The cow is
Drinking water.
drinking.
Yes.
Drinking water. Okay. Ketana,
Yes.
come on.
I am sleeping.
Why everyone are sleeping in my class? Huh? Don't sleep, please. Veda. Veda.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, give me one action word fast.
The rose is in red color.
Huh? We are talking
Do
about
word.
action words.
First one. Doing, dancing, or cooking.
The girl is dancing.
The girl is dancing. Who is that girl? Is it you? Arhan,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, give me one action word.
I am reading the book.
Very good. Which book you are reading, Arhan?
Course book.
Okay, very good. Pradiksha,
I drinking milk.
you are drinking milk. Good. Tarini,
Yes. I'm drinking water.
you're drinking water. Sai Ritvik Reddy. Good.
Ma'am, you already said me.
Already I asked you, so you no problem. Give me one more.
Okay, ma'am. I am reading Global English book.
Or global, not right. That is global. It's global. Tell global English.
Global English.
Very good. Ronald is not responding. Why? Swarnika? Swarnika? Swarnika is also not responding. Sudhamsh?
What is it?
Sudhamsh? Yes, give me one action word, Sudhamsh. Sudhamsh, fast. Sudhamsh. He's not responding, Sudhamsh. Today, 3 children, they didn't respond. Ronald and Sudhamsh, Swarnika. I'll give you -1 marks.
Ma'am, I'm Sonika.
Swarnika. See, -1 means you responded.
No, ma'am, I went to washroom, ma'am.
Why every time you'll go from my class? Come on, tell me now. Give me one action word. Swarnika, fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Swarnika, make it. Give me one action word. Now I want everyone to open course book page 13. Read the sentences, underline the doing words. First, you have to read the sentence. You have to underline the doing words. Children paint on a paper. So what is a verb in this sentence? Can you tell me a verb? Yes, unmute yourself and tell me.
Paint.
Very good. Paint. Huh?
I already did this
Okay. Good, good.
yesterday.
Good, good, good. So now tell me another sentence I'm going to read. Vinay decorated a pumpkin. So what is a verb? What is a verb in the second sentence? Vinay
Pumpkin. Decorate.
yeah, decorate. Pumpkin is a noun, name of a vegetable. Vinay is also a name of a boy. And decorated is a verb. Okay. When Randhir rides a bicycle.
Right. Right.
Riding.
Riding.
Riding is a action word. Very good. Rides. And now what you have to do, children, under the pictures, there is a small box for you. Yes, a small box is given under the picture. So what you have to do, you have to write the picture number under the box. Come on, do it now itself. First one, the boy, the picture. What is the picture about? What is the picture about? The boy is?
Children riding. The boys riding bicycle.
So in that
boys riding the bicycle.
very good. So in that box, what number you will write? What is the number you are going to place in that box? 3. Very good.
3.
Yes. Randhir rides the bicycle. Very good. And second picture, Vinay the boy, what the children are doing? The children are painting on a paper. So which number you are going to place in that box? 1. Very good. That's great.
1.
Very good. And the third one, you see the boy is decorating a pumpkin. He's doing something on the pumpkin.
2.
2. Very good. Very good, children. That's great. So today I'm going to share one worksheet with you. You are going to complete that worksheet, okay? And listen to me now. Yes, children, very good. So now I'm going to, as a part of homework, I'm going to share a worksheet you have to complete. One thing, children, you forgot to write date and CW on the page. Do it now. Write the date, today's date, 12-3 and CW on the top. Come on. Page number 13. Yes, Ketana?
Ma'am, you say again, ma'am.
What I have to say? Homework.
Page number 13.
Page number 13. That picture. What is the first picture you have there? The
boy is
riding
a bicycle.
Yes. So what you have to do? Write number 3 in that box, small box.
I write, ma'am.
Then second one, what the children are doing? The children are painting on the paper. What number you have to write in that box? Ketana?
3.
Huh?
3.
No, 1.
1.
Children paint on a paper. Next one, the boy is decorating a pumpkin. So what number you are going to write there?
2.
Very good. That's it. Now write the date and CW on the top of the page.